Okay, so I've had a couple teachers ask me how they can use the same meeting code all the time. That way you don't have to use different codes for different classes and so forth. So you're going to use what's called a reoccurring meeting. If you're using the application up here at the top, just click on meetings and then click the plus sign and schedule meeting. You can call it whatever you like. Don't worry about the date and the time, but just turn on this check mark where it says reoccurring meeting. Okay. Um, if you want it to be the same code, make sure that you select personal meeting over here. If you select the other one, it's going to give you a new code every single time you use this reoccurring meeting. Okay. If that password gets turned on, make sure you turn it off unless you want to use a password. Okay. And then the rest of the settings are pretty straightforward, including the stuff down here under advanced. Okay. So you click schedule and now you'll have a meeting right here that you can use at any time. If we click show meeting, it's always going to be this code. Okay. And then you have the copy invitation button where you can copy it and then paste it into Schoology or paste it into an email, whatever you need to do. Okay. And if you use the web-based version of Zoom, it's pretty much the same. I'm going to click on meetings and it should refresh with the one I just made. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that and start it from scratch. Okay. So again, you'll schedule a new meeting. Call it whatever you want. Don't worry about the date and the time. Do turn on the reoccurring meeting and then set the reoccurrence to no fixed time. Okay. Pay attention to this again. I'm going to set it over to personal meeting. Make sure I turn off the password. And then again, the settings down here are pretty much the same as they were in the app. Okay, I click save and go back to meetings. And so there's the meeting I just set up. It's going to use this ID all the time. Whenever I'm ready, I just have to click start. If you ever wanted to, change the title, you can just click here, give it a new name, and then you'll be ready to go.